Welcome, fellow gearheads and auto aficionados, to your guide to the latest in auto trends. Welcome to Highway Herald. Today, we're delving into a hot topic in the automotive world. From the initial promise of no maintenance to the stark reality of increasingly unrepairable electric vehicles, this describes the current EV landscape. Fixing electric cars isn't just costly, it's often impractical for a range of reasons. As a result, many owners are parting ways with their EVs after the first major issue. What's behind this trend? Here are 8 reasons why fixing EVs may not be worthwhile. Reason number 8, the costly reality of EV repairs. One primary reason EV owners often send their cars to junkyards after the first breakdown is the exorbitant cost of repairs, far exceeding those of traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. EVs require specialized parts and expertise, significantly driving up expenses, particularly for costly components like the battery. Minor issues with the battery alone can lead to astronomical bills, sometimes exceeding the car's total value, such as the $15,000 cost to replace a Tesla Model S battery. Insurance premiums for EVs are notably higher due to these repair costs, often prompting insurers to declare total write-offs after minor accidents. Additionally, the sharp post-breakdown depreciation in EV resale value makes it financially impractical for owners to repair and resell their vehicles, compounding economic challenges. Reason number 7, insufficient support for EV owners. In recent years, despite widespread EV adoption, support for electric cars lags behind combustion vehicles due to a shortage of trained professionals, unresolved issues, and high repair costs. Startup companies, lacking dealer networks and adequate support, face even greater challenges. Minor damages often render EVs unusable, leading many to end up in junkyards, as seen in videos depicting numerous Teslas with minor damages. This trend suggests that soon, all electric cars may be treated as commodities, akin to old TVs or smartphones. Interestingly, many written-off EVs are still in good condition, including intact batteries. Some companies have begun reusing EV batteries in a second-life EV battery business model, repurposing them for various applications like solar panel storage. This practice offers a viable solution for obtaining high-quality batteries originally developed by car makers for future integration into solar energy systems. Reason number 6, reliability issues beyond promises. Not all EV owners part with their vehicles after the first breakdown. Some endure multiple issues in quick succession. Contrary to expert predictions, EVs aren't more reliable or cost-effective than combustion cars. Consumer Reports' extensive survey revealed electric cars suffer 80% more problems than their traditional counterparts. Issues range from battery and charging malfunctions to software glitches and subpar build quality, creating significant inconvenience for owners. Most EVs are still under warranty when problems arise, offering some relief. However, once warranties expire, repair costs are likely to soar, leading to further financial strain. Visits to dealerships are time-consuming, exacerbated by prolonged waits for repairs that render EVs virtually unusable. These practical difficulties underscore the challenges EV owners face beyond financial concerns, impacting their overall ownership experience. Reason number 5, software challenges in EVs. Software issues in EVs have turned out to be more daunting than anticipated, particularly evident in recent developments at GM. Models like the Blazer EV, Lyriq, and GMC Hummer have been plagued with persistent software glitches, posing significant challenges for the company. EVs integrate complex systems such as batteries, charging mechanisms, motors, regenerative braking, and driver assist features. Despite numerous updates, these issues persist. GM's latest infotainment systems no longer support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates crucial for remote issue resolution are often unavailable. As a result, owners face extended waits for repairs at dealerships. Adding to these challenges is a shortage of trained personnel. Manufacturers like GM frequently encounter delays in promptly resolving software malfunctions, exacerbating the repair process for EV owners. Before we delve deeper, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to Highway Herald. Your support fuels our passion to create more content like this. Now let's explore reason number 4, navigating EV insurance complexities. Today's automakers provide multi-year warranties for new EVs, covering aspects like the battery and overall vehicle. However, warranties often exclude post-collision repairs, adding to the complexity and cost of maintaining electric cars. Insurance companies play a crucial role in this landscape. Due to the high costs associated with EV repairs and limited availability of trained personnel and parts, insurance premiums for EVs are notably higher than those for ICE vehicles. Repair facilities frequently opt to declare damaged EVs total losses rather than manage the high costs, leaving insurers to cover significant financial gaps. Recall recent reports of junkyards filled with lightly damaged Teslas, highlighting insurers' reluctance to handle these vehicles. Even minor damage can lead to an EV being written off, underscoring insurers' preference to avoid the complexities associated with EV repairs. Reason number 3. Challenges with EV battery casings. Damaged battery casings are a primary reason insurers write off many electric cars. Often, these vehicles arrive at repair shops seemingly intact, only for closer inspection to reveal minor damage. Scratches or dents in critical battery casings pose significant risks insurers are unwilling to take, particularly concerning battery cells and other integral components. Repairing these casings is not only costly, but also technically demanding. Many dealers lack the expertise and facilities required for such intricate repairs. Welded casings leave little room for fixes. Replacement often proves the only viable, albeit expensive, option. Additionally, modern EVs have largely eschewed traditional sheet metal in favor of aluminum and composite materials. These materials are challenging, if not impossible, to repair, further limiting repair options and increasing costs. Reason number 2. Scarcity of skilled EV technicians. Imagine a repair shop where seasoned mechanics with years of experience suddenly find their skills outdated. EVs demand specialized training that most technicians haven't pursued, preferring instead to stick with ICE vehicles. In the UK, only 10% of mechanics are certified to work on battery electric vehicles, a figure likely to worsen with increasing electrification. North America faces a potential shortage of 35,000 trained professionals within a decade, exacerbated by slower EV adoption rates in rural areas. Owners often travel long distances for qualified service, adding to repair delays. Once at the repair shop, owners encounter another unpleasant surprise: significantly higher costs than for combustion cars. These costs reflect the specialized knowledge required for EVs, including working on high-voltage systems and addressing design flaws that pose safety risks like fire hazards and intricate electrical components, such as batteries, inverters, and motors. Reason number 1. Manufacturer policies, shaping EV fate. Manufacturer policies heavily influence why many EVs end up in junkyards after initial breakdowns. Limited support and stringent repair protocols leave owners with few alternatives but to discard their vehicles. EV manufacturers tightly control supply chains, restricting parts access to authorized dealers, inflating repair costs, and limiting component availability. Tesla, for instance, faces criticism for its restrictive parts policies, hindering independent repair shops and complicating owner repairs. Authorized service centers are often overwhelmed, leading to intolerable wait times for repairs. EV warranties typically cover major components, but exclude issues from minor collisions or software malfunctions, forcing owners to bear high repair costs independently. These factors compel many to send their vehicles to junkyards rather than finance costly repairs, reflecting the impact of manufacturer policies on premature EV disposal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one on Highway Herald. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and future videos.